Guess what? One of the most important things you can do to help your business get free promotion. Have somebody actually want to spread your message, get your stuff out there to build your audience and to grow your business. It's YouTube. That's right, YouTube. Just when you think that you should be on TikTok or Instagram or all those short form video content platforms, it's actually YouTube that you really need to remember is the foundation. It is the OG. It is the one you need to be on. And the reason why is because YouTube is actively looking for content to share with people that would want to see your content. So imagine that. You make a video, maybe it's about math, maybe it's about science, maybe it's about coding, maybe it's about medicine. It doesn't matter what it is. YouTube knows that there's an audience for that particular content. They will actively try to look for content and match it with your viewers. So if your video is optimized for your particular audience, as an example, you have a good title, good thumbnails, and also you have good content, YouTube will want to share that content with the audience that wants to find your content. What could be easier and what could be better, right? Well, the other great thing about YouTube is that once you get over a certain number of subscribers, which is 1,000, and you have over 4,000 watch hours, YouTube then pays you to have the content there. So not only do you get that exposure, but you also get paid. Aside from the money part of it and that thing, that is small, I think, in comparison to the reach that you have with YouTube. Being the world's second largest search engine and owned by Google, it's an incredibly powerful platform to be on because of the exposure, because of the reach. One great example of this is I have videos that I made in 2009, 10, 11 that are still being viewed, that are still being searched for, that are still getting people to actually watch and having YouTube recommend those videos. Some of those videos have like 1.3, 1.2, 1.5 million views. Some of them get even 11,000 views every single month. And I made those videos like a long time ago, but they're still being served up by YouTube. That is how powerful YouTube can be in terms of growing your brand, keeping your brand presence at top of mind. It's just such a great platform. You have to be on it. The other thing is that the videos on YouTube can live for a lot longer. You'll be able to reference those videos to your clients, your customers, anytime in the future. They're easy to find. They're not like those videos on TikTok or on Instagram where they're really difficult to find. You got to go through all this other stuff. The other benefit is that anyone on YouTube is looking to watch that information. They're not just there to scroll and just see things and tap on them or whatever. It's a totally different experience for that user when they are on YouTube. That's why you have to have content on YouTube. But what kind of content should you put onto YouTube? Well, there's all kinds of content, but obviously anything educational, how-tos that is valuable to your particular audience is going to be great. Anything that comes from you and your experience and your way of seeing things and doing things is going to be valuable to a certain particular audience. And that is the beauty of using YouTube. So, get onto YouTube. Find out what you can do to get started right away. What is something that you could put onto YouTube that would be really valuable, really useful to your particular audience? Make a list. Create a list. Make those videos and put them up onto YouTube. Then also check out some of the other videos that I have here about what kind of videos, where you should put them, and some other information about using videos in general for your business.